What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can add your YouTube on TikTok. By that, if you guys have visited the account of a celebrity or your friend, there's gonna be a YouTube logo right beside the follow button. Once you click on that logo, everyone can go to their YouTube channel. So someone adds their Instagram, someone adds their YouTube. You have an option whether you want to add a YouTube or Instagram, but this video is related with YouTube, so I'll try to add my YouTube account on my TikTok. So it's pretty simple, but you need to own that YouTube account. You can't just post like a account of others who you like. You need to have that YouTube account belong to yourself. Why? In a second you will know. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's move on. First step, you open your TikTok, you click on your profile over here, you go on edit profile. Once you go on edit profile, there's going to be a YouTube option at the bottom. Click on versus add your YouTube to your profile. Once you click on it, you need to log in into your Google account with which your YouTube account is linked. Now make sure the Google account which has like a YouTube account, or like the Google account whose YouTube account you want to show on TikTok, you need to sign up to it. So I'm not going to show you the process, so sign up into it first. Once you're over here, you click on allow, wait for some time, and bang, it's done. As you guys can see, the YouTube logo appears here. Once I click on it, my YouTube account will open up. But if other people click on it, it'll take them to my YouTube page. Alright, so that's how this feature works. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye bye, until then, have a nice day.